Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Chris Gardiner. I've got a video coming out for Final Cut Pro about how you can make some customizable burned-in captions for your videos, and part of it is going to involve having Python. So I thought I would make this very fast Python installer video for any users of macOS like myself. Now, most of the scripts I've built on other machines, but to keep everything moving smoothly, I should have it on my Mac device as well. So we're going to download. First we went to Google, we typed in Python, we found the Python website, went to downloads for macOS, and I chose 3.12, which is one of the more recent stable releases. This is about 2 months old here. So I've downloaded the file. I'm going to click up here and get it started. Alright, welcome to the Python installer. And just like that, Python is ready to go. You will be able to run the script that I'm going to show you that's going to take SRT files from Whisper, which is covered in a different video, and then turn them directly into FCPXML captions so we can apply some styles to them. So we can close this. Sure, good idea. All right, here we go. Now we're in a Python shell. Look at that. So another video coming out to follow up on this one, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Take care.